We'll be solving programming exercise 424 under the Java MOOC course named printing a file, and the problem asks us to write a program that prints the contents of a file called data.txt such that each line of the file is printed on its own. Like if the contents of a file look like in a, and in the next line we have world, then this should be printed as in a world. So let's hop into the solution. So first of all, let's define try and catch block and catch block. Okay, and inside the try block, let's define a scanner equals to new scanner. And inside that we're going to get the path of the file, and the parameter of paths that get must be the file name and the extension. Then let's use a loop while all the contents will be stored in scanner. So scanner.has next line, all we have to do is assign a new variable string row equals to the contents scanner that next line must be added to it, and then all we have to print is the row. Okay, that's done. Under the catch block, let's define an exception e, and then just out, and we have to let's write an error followed by e.get message, and that's gonna solve it out. And if we can see here the projects and the files tab, right, and this is our data.txt file. So the contents of data.txt file is this. So let's try and print it ahead. But as you can see, the contents of the file holds 9812 021b and 8dd2, but this second line is missing due to some certain reasons that I don't know why. Any line of code that's ending with a b won't be printed here. If you write hello world learning is fun and print it out, then this will be the output. Everything will be printed except for this second line. Instead of this, if you write anything that's followed by a b, or that's ending in a b, like 111b, 22456b, or r12b, then all of these lines will be skipped. Oh wait, but no. Okay. What's the reason behind it? I don't know, but due to some odd reasons, so probably something that starts with a numeral and ends in a b is skipped. Is that so? This line must be skipped, no? Yeah, we just have these two lines. But if I write, let's say AB, and then C3B, WB, let's see what happens. Okay, yeah, anything that starts with a numeral and ends with a B is not printed, and besides that everything is printed. So I don't know why this happened, but except that all the contents will be printed, and if you try and submit this, then the program just works fine. As you can see, all tests have passed on the server, so thank you.